so here we are on the inside. You can see it's a split level and we are obviously upstairs. Gorgeous. Let's head over here, check out the kitchen, which is one of my favorite spots. And you could stick maybe an island if you wanted to for extra space, but I don't know that you need it because this kitchen's kind of got it all. Check out these countertops. Yeah, and then these cupboards are huge. So if you are somebody who likes a lot of space in their kitchen, we gotcha. Also, let's zoom in a little bit because this tile is lovely. Check that out. So somebody put some time and care into getting this beautiful renovation done. All updated appliances. Let's check out this other kind of hidden gem, I think. So as you come up here, you can see this huge room. This is an addition on the house, I believe. And check out that fireplace. Ooh, Claire, don't do that with the gimbal. But yeah, fireplace. Over there! Gorgeous. So you get a nice warm room in the winter and a cool spot to hang out in the summer. So the thing that struck me about this house is how many living spaces there are. If you have a big family, this house is where it's at. Or if you just have a lot of relatives, this house is your jam. Because I don't know about you, but for me, like when my relatives come over, like we're always looking for somewhere for people to stay. And it would be really cool to have a house like this. These gorgeous barn doors. Or closet. Let's zoom out a little bit so you can get a better feel for this room. Yeah. And I love the barn door closet. I find that so much fun. Let's check out the next room. The bed with a full bath. And a beautiful closet that is fairly deep. So you can get all of your shoes. Come on in. Let's see this bathroom. This bathroom is lovely. And I'm gonna zoom in on some of the tile in the shower. Hey, taken care of. I'll zoom in a little bit. Get a good feel for this shower, which is a little bigger than most. Zoom back out. And you can also see, you can keep an eye on your little kidlets as they run around the yard and cause mayhem. My daughter is 10 months old. She's already begun her mayhem causing, which is scary. I love her though, she's adorable. Like people say that kids are nuts, but they're totally worth it. I get it now, they are. But man, my life was so much more controlled before I had kids. This is one kid. My parents had 5. Brave people. All right, let's check out the next bathroom. So this is gorgeous. And once again, the thing I love most about this house is someone spent some time getting these bathrooms finished. And they are awesome. Let's head downstairs. Meow. Forgive me. My gimbal control is only so. Ooh. So I also love this part of the house, and this is what I mean. So far there's 1, 2, 3 places now to hang out and have family space. And another fireplace. Yes, count them. 3 fireplaces in this house. Save you a bit on the energy bills, right? Because if you're doing that, you're probably not heating your house as much. So I love this. Could be a breakfast nook or just a bar. Let's go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. Yeah, and you can see this like beautiful wood finish. And we will slow pan for Terry, because she told me I pan too fast. And that would be because I don't actually know how to control my gimbal very well. But I don't know if this door will lock behind me, so I'm not gonna let it shut, but just so you can get an idea of this big garage. If you're a car fan, this is a great house for you because that's a huge driveway outside. I'll show you in a minute. And then around here, there's also another entrance to the outside. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you could make this. This is obviously a 2-car garage, but then with the driveway outside, probably do 3 or 4 cars if you wanted. And then we've got our entrance to the outside. So you can go out there and get in your hot tub. I love hot tubs. So let's start at the back. So here we have the laundry room. Nice and spacious. I feel like. You tell me though, right? I love this poster. That's my favorite. This room. So far now we've got 3 bedrooms upstairs, and now we've got a 4th down here. And this one's got a pretty big closet. Here, I'm gonna zoom out so you can see a little more. This one's deep too. So yeah, this little bedroom down here. And then we've got another one here. So altogether, we're working with a 5-bedroom house. All my Potter fans, we have a cupboard under the stairs. That's where Sophia will live, so she can become a wizard. Just kidding. Closet. I'm sure we'll have a barn by the time Sophia's old enough to become a wizard. All right, let's head outside. This neighborhood is the perfect blend of having neighbors around you, but also having some privacy. See how much space you've got out here? So for perspective, you can see that's my little car out here. So I said 4 or 5 cars. Try more like, I don't know, 7 or 8. Gosh, the colors out here. Something about this area just gets me with how gorgeous it is. And then here's the rest of the driveway. Let's go check out the shed real quick. Real quick, we talked about a trail down here is where it starts. Gosh, this is beautiful. And we have this big red shed. So far that's 2 spots to put your tools. So I'll open this up real quick, show you. It's massive. So this is a really sought after neighborhood. If you are interested, I would get in touch and get prepared. Just start taking the steps, you know. So we were just over here. Now going into the woodshed, which I love this. This is so cool. And we'll go up there in a sec. Let's zoom out a little bitty bit. Open this up so you can see what's on the inside. Hey, now you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna put this off of the big pan so you can really get a feel for the size. of this space. Let's check out this backyard. There we go. All right, I feel like I need to pan out just a little bit so you can see kind of the entirety here. This is so beautiful. Before we go into this area, I want to show you one cool thing that I love about this property. So this is where I'll get married. I'm already married. I got married 5 years ago. But if I was, 6 years ago, sorry, honey, if you're watching this. It was great. And I loved our wedding and all, but like I'm just saying, if I was gonna get married, maybe we'll do like a renewal of vows or something, but it just doesn't get much prettier to me than this gorgeous backdrop. And this is so Maryland. So there's the trail is down here. You can kind of see it going through the woods over this little cliff here. Take a quick look, see the backyard. I'm gonna take this off of the big pan. I feel like I'm getting slightly better at controlling this gimbal, but you know, I have my days. This is the crowning achievement, I think, if you have kids. This is amazing. I literally pay to take my daughter somewhere to imitate this. There's your hot tub. If you procure this house, you have a duty to get a hot tub because that's what this second porch is made for. Got the upstairs. So this is a double level porch, which is absolutely beautiful. I don't know. This doesn't get much nicer than this. Alrighty. All the details about this listing can be found in the link in the description. And if you want to hop on my email list, I can let you know when listings come up for my brokerage. And also, if you're interested in just exploring Maryland and you want to get with a lender and get to a certain community, let me know. We can hook you up, get your finances set up so that you're ready to buy. And then when it's time to pull the trigger and you find that house that you love, let's do it.